This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to hide your likes on Instagram. Many users find that hiding like counts reduces pressure and promotes a more positive experience on the platform. We will cover how to adjust these settings for both your own content and the posts you see from others. This guide will help you customize your Instagram to better suit your preferences, allowing you to focus on sharing and engaging with content you truly enjoy. If you have posts already published and wish to hide their like counts, it's a straightforward process. Simply open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Find the specific post you want to update. Tap the three dots icon in the top right corner of that post. From the options that appear, select Hide Like Count. This action will immediately make the like count invisible to others on that particular post. When you're preparing to share a brand new post, you can hide the like count before it even goes live. After selecting your photo or video and making any edits, continue to the screen where you write your caption and tag people. At the very bottom, you'll find an option called Advanced Settings. Tap on this, and then toggle on Hide Like and View Counts on this post. Now, when you share, the like count will be hidden from your audience. You can also choose to hide the like counts on posts from other accounts that appear in your feed. To do this, go to your profile and tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy, then scroll down to what you see and tap Like and Share Counts. Here, simply toggle on the Hide Like and Share Counts option. This will hide like counts on all posts and reels from other accounts in your feed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.